The Republic Day celebrations and you. Before I talk about the significance of Republic Day and you, I would urge you to subscribe to our channel BND TV so you never miss a video that we upload. Millions and millions of people all over the country are celebrating India's Republic Day. But what significance does it have for you and me personally? You know, if you look at India's history, at India's story, then there are three things that have taken this country and our peoples together forward into success. And they are resilience, diversity, and progress. And these are three metrics that are so important for each of us. Whether we are meditation teachers and authors like me, or whether you are a chartered accountant, or whether you are a solo entrepreneur, or doesn't matter who you are. You know, the first thing is resilience. India has faced such terrible atrocities committed against her and her peoples. And yet, we managed to get independence. That too through non-violent means. We managed to be considered today as one of the biggest influencers of this entire planet. It is resilience. Tough times come, challenges come, but to have that knowledge that this too will pass, that this too, this dark time will also become history, and then keep moving, keep plugging, keep chugging on. Having this resilience is one of the things that made us succeed as a country and that can make you and me succeed as people. Diversity, the second thing. You know, many leaders want to create teams of people who are like them. The problem with that is that your weaknesses are amplified and your strengths are not really complemented because everybody seems to have the same strength. A true leader should be able to make allies out of enemies. And that is exactly what we have done in this country. You know, such diverse groups of people. If you go to North India and if you go to South India and if you go to East India or West India, it's like four different countries literally. And yet we all come together as one with a thread of love, a thread of wishing well for each other. You know, you go to the smallest village in India and they will still, in their absolute poverty, welcome you and give you something to eat and drink. That is the power of India. That diverse group of people can come together to create one. And that same thing can happen in your own team. When you have a group of people who have very diverse ideas, very diverse perspectives, you will be able to get ideas and perspectives that you would never have got if you had just a team of the same type of people. Together, a team of diverse cultures, a team of diverse personalities, a team of diverse talents can achieve so much more than a team of just the same types of people. Because then you would complement each other's strengths and negate each other's weaknesses. So, diversity is a very important thing to bring into your organization, to bring into your team, to bring into your friend circle. You know, it is very often that we see that a lot of chartered accountants have friends of only chartered accountants, and a lot of doctors have friends of only doctors. But when groups of different types of individuals come together, then real magic starts happening. And then progress. Step by baby step, we have made progress. You know, once Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji had gone to one of the developing countries of the world, and over there, a journalist had very rudely asked him that in India you have got, poverty and you have got crime and you have got lack of education. You've got so many problems. Why have you come here? We are all right. Why have you come here? And Gurudev replied saying, yes, we have all these problems. We have overpopulation. We have communal disharmony. We have lack of education. We have a lot of poverty. But yet he said, the beds in our mental hospitals are empty. He said, India has the spiritual knowledge which keeps people functioning, which keeps people resilient. That is progress. And progress is one step done is one step not to do. One thing done is one thing less to think about. And over here also people get caught up in that illusion of busyness. They do so many things throughout the day, but they hardly manage to get anything done by the end of the day. That's the cheap dopamine. And that's something you have to be aware of and be scared of, because it kills productivity. It takes you away from the big things that you had planned for your life. The ability to say no to many things is very important so that you can do all the things that you said yes to really well. Develop this ability. Prioritize, take action, get things done. That is progress. And when you have resilience, progress, and diversity all coming together, you have to succeed. The Republic Day is the day when the Constitution of India was formulated, which came into effect 75 years ago today. A constitution is a set of guidelines, a set of lofty ideas and ideals that aim to provide peace, security, safety, harmony, and joy for the people. What is your constitution? What are the values you hold dear that you will not be swayed from? Because when you have a constitution in place, then it's just so much easier to live your life, so much easier to take decisions. So, maybe today is a great day to create your own constitution. Maybe today is a great day to bring in these values of resilience, of diversity, and of progress into your life. A happy Republic Day to everybody. Create your own constitution. Let me know in the comments below what it is. See you in the next one.